we're at World Time Attack. We're back here, day 3, ready for competition. Barrawagz be singing. So we ended up qualifying 11th because apparently Daigo and Ken Gucci got better than me.
Cheater points.
Apparently. And now we got the full track demo, and this time Jassie's not going to forget to press the button. So we're going to blaze that straight, we're going to save our tyres. Got a bit lower pressure to grip her up. Then we got battles tonight. And guess who we're probably going to be against? The old SNAIL campaign. I've also lost my voice. Here it is.
I'm back! If you think that I look good in this thing and you would like to look as good as I do and feel as happy as I do, come down, keepitreet.com, buy yourself probably my favourite hoodie.
Does that wake you up, Gary? We got it at the bloody water sprays. Shut off. She shut herself off.
You should have it running.
I wanted to. Nice. Shut herself off. It's now game time. Time to get battle ready. It's night time. It's Saturday night here at World Time Attack. Jassie's warming up the div. Car is spicy. We had a little bit of an issue on the half time, but we're good to go.
No time, baby. Let's get
Okay, mate. Alright, I just got David Old who's doing the spotting, giving me the feedbacks, tell me what I need to do to get the win. Bike run's done, not bad. Ready for the battle. Finally, for the first time, filled zone 1. I initiated exactly the right time. The fronts were a little bit cold, so there was that. And then I sort of, I did wash out the front and did a big bubble over the outer clip 3, which put me inside out of the last corner, but still quite happy. She looked good, just got to fix that up. And we're ready to go against the SNAIL campaign.
Walk him.
So he's looking good. He's doing a really good run. So that means we're going to be comfortable chasing him down. He'll be leading first. So make sure we get him off the line. We know the tyres are going to last 2 laps if I'm pedaling it, not foot lattice. So it should be good to go. Hopefully Dale cooks his tyres on his lead and can't keep up with me. I got to make sure I get my lead perfect, so it gives them nothing.
Mate, no dramas. No dramas. Walk in the park.
120 point run, but no matter what happens, he'll be getting on beers and probably the champagnes on the toady after we beat Campaign.
Step. Jason Ferrin will have the chase. Dale Campaign in the lead. You wide enough there?
Yeah, that was an interesting approach by Dale Campaign. Jason Ferrin there in the wagon. He tries to tuck in, takes a shallower line. Dale using all the course. Both of them with really good smoke, good angle. Now Jason gets to the door of Campaign, but maybe that was little shots fired across the nose.
Let's go, Joe. Bound gets a
serve battle. This will be Ferrin to lead the GH haulage machine of Dale Campaign in the chase. What's Jason got? Cranks it on. Dale tucks to the inside there. He's right there with him. He can't give him any space at all, Jared.
Taking a look at Jason Ferrin, he turns on that smoke machine, and Dale Campaign,
he fell back.
Yeah, he fell back and just seemed.
It was almost like just as
it was half-hearted.
He was at least 2 car lengths off you through the last corner after zone 3. At least two and a half car lengths off you. You like walked away from him after zone 3. Yeah, you did really well getting through 3.
Hey.
Did you win? You got him, Yes, you fucking got him. You won, you win, yes. SNAIL back to Adelaide. Bye-bye. Well done, Jakes, well done.
Break the curse of the SNAIL.
Watch out that first zone, bro.
I know. It didn't want to kick out. It had so much forward grip. I had to handbrake to get it to. It didn't step out. I need to make sure I do the left to right. There's fucking great traction that way.
Bungee in there. Good Doran. Hey. Fucking Doran.
Ew! Got the win against SNAIL Campaign. Going out for top 8 battle now. It's chaos. It's a rush. No time. Quick, change tyres. Bring it. I don't know why it's such a rush, but anyway, top 8 with Matt Harvey. So, see how we go. Jason got a little bit of Doran on the SNAIL. Let's get it all the way, baby.
That was not unanimous. Here we go, Matt Harvey, Jason Ferrin, our last battle of the Great 8. Here we go. Matt Harvey out front. Jason Farron keeping it Reet. Can he keep on the street? Keep him on the feet. Here we go. Matt Harvey, the Kumo tires, S chassis into the outside zone. Here comes Jason Farron searching an attack, but Matt Harvey, really great angle, very deep. Jason Farron taking the shallower line. Matt Harvey feeling all of it. Look at that. I mean, set it and forget it, man. That car was absolutely dialed. The car never got disrupted. That smoke signal, I mean, it was just absolutely dialed. The car never got disrupted.
W, call
Good job.
Don't call it, yeah.
calling it.
Don't call it.
Wagon, Matt Harvey chasing him down, talking about how well he executed up front. In there. All right, here we go. Let's alternate the order here as Jason Farron keeping it Reet in that beautiful wagon. Matt Harvey chasing him down. Talked about how well he executed up front, but he needs to chase him down. There he is, tucking into the smoke there. Jason keeping it Reet, that wagon. Good angle. You saw a good aggressive flick. I like the transition. That was kind of the X factor, as we call it in Formula Drift. But Matt Harvey, boom, right there. It is a wagon, so why not stuff it in the back of that thing? Well done by Matt Harvey. Looks like Matt Harvey's a little bit of groceries there in the back of Jason Farron. And why not stuff it in the back of that thing? Well done by Matt Harvey.
He's gone. He's talking to the judges.
It's on, boys, it's on.
The commentators were like, Matt Harvey, best lead run ever.
That was actually, that lead run that you saw just before Jason, that was the best lead run that we have seen this entire night. And not! What are you talking
He drove through the last corner.
Tori, wait, is it Tony? I love ya, but you don't know what you're talking about.
I don't think Tony said that. That was
Was it the other dude?
Jared, yeah.
Whoever you are? Jared? Seriously,
oh,
man?
man?
Who? Jared? Jared, last name unknown?
He's the FD commentator.
That was not what are you talking about, bro? That makes no sense. Like, I'm not even talking shit. That doesn't make any sense. He was just, he had to talk about something on that one. The best lead run that this track has ever seen.
Well, they're looking at Matt Harvey's lead run again, because Josh has obviously gone, did you see the straight?
Did you see how much angle? I'm sorry, I apologise, but I'm sure he agrees.
Been drifting 4 times,
Professional drift. No, even the dude in the lead would agree that that was not the best lead run of the night, hands down. Enough said.
Oh, they didn't. Oh, they cut it. Oh,
That's why we got JB Rogers. He just lost. Going and what the fuck?
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Comment down below how frustrating it is when your boss loses at a professional drift event. I don't think about it.
Did we lose?
yeah.
What a joke, man.
Not allowed to talk to judges.
Not allowed to talk to the judges, apparently. I'm not allowed to talk to them. I knew that was going to happen. He didn't drift the last corner. Man, hey, we drove.
You drove 10 hours to get stitched up, man. I slept in a shack with the boys ripping on me constantly. All for this. All for the best lead run of the night.
Apparently the criteria is to not drift the last corner. We just didn't get the memo as always.
Yeah, you got this is the line the fastest.
Yeah, what did you think that this was a drift event? No, this is just a drift demo. God dang it. Well, you win some, you lose some. Fun times were had by all. Some hair was torn.
It was on you, Jay.
Oh, he's cracking it. He's cracking it. He's gone for a walk.
I feel sorry for Jason right now.
100%.
That sucks. But hey, in drifting, you get stitched up constantly, left, right, and centre. Those poor judges having to judge things. It does happen all the time though. What can you do? Judge sports, mate. Judge sports.
Crew just came back in. We did lose our battle with the Matt Harvey. We got one. We were ready to go. We did well though. Track grip and whatnot. Had too much grip. We were so good. We thought we had it right. But took out one essay. Finally broke the curve for the SNAIL campaign. Stoked about that. We did well. Bloody other essay boy, Matt Harvey. The other kryptonite. Anyway, good work, he'll be stoked. Good battle. A few mistakes on the other half, and yeah, a few tricky things. Doesn't too much grip.
The tyres are stupid.
Never again.
No one should be able to run them.
Keen to run street tyres for LZ. Anyway,
Top 8, not bad.
I've kept a fan waiting, and he just gave me this. What a legend! The Kang wagon lookalike Hot Wheels car. That's Kang. Ooh, fancy. See you, bro. Gangster gift. Appreciate it, man.
All right, that's it. All packed up and all done on a semi-successful weekend here at World Time Attack Challenge. Time for the beers because we didn't get the champagne. Bit upset about it. Now we had a really good weekend. I got to chat to a lot of our sponsors. So while I'm on that subject, thank you to our sponsors: Pertec Bayswater, Raceworks, Shockworks, Caltech, Ross Performance, Kansai, Keep It Reet, Jason Farron, D1NZ, Woodstock, BSC Performance, Acostal, Hypergear, SP Tools, MPC Clutches, PWR, and Nitto Performance. And don't forget Rodder. And thank you to the crew. Jassy absolutely slaving, killed it this weekend. A few things he didn't get done, but TJ, Jamie Rogers for the gutters and for getting all up in the judges' grill. Kang Spotter keeps the vibes right up. And Brandon for selling merch. Anyone that came and said g'day, thanks for saying g'day. Congratulations to whoever won the 34. And add Adam on the camera. Too many people. Yeah, thanks World Time Attack for having us.
Security guard that doesn't want to be filmed.
Yes.
Thank you.
Next stop, LZ World Tour. Yeah, had a good weekend. Barrawagz still one piece. And we beat the SNAIL campaign. Highlight of the weekend.
Success.
Great battle and good driver and good bloke. So stoked to have a rematch at the LZ World Tour. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.